How to fix missing chat history sync now in Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, tap on the menu option from the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the privacy and safety option and further, under the security tab, tap on the end-to-end encrypted chats option. You will then see the security option, tap on that and further tap on the view logins option. You will then see all the devices that your account is connected to. So go ahead and log out of all the devices by simply tapping on the logins and then tapping on the logout option you see there. Further, launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Now go ahead and scroll down and find the Messenger application and tap on it. Further, tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Once reinstalled, open Messenger again and re-log in to your account. And with this, your messages should now be synced on its own. So this is how you can fix missing chat history synced now in Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.